Leading your country is always a privilege, but do you think it's a special privilege with your roots here in Pakistan?
Yeah, 100%. Obviously, with my roots being from here and to lead England in such a big series and a historic series, it's huge, and it's a very proud moment for me and my family, my mom and dad and everybody. So of course my family is very happy, and my friends, my community, and everybody who I feel like I represent, they're very happy for me. But it's more captaining England in any game anywhere in the world is a huge honor. Yeah.
Hello, Moin. Assalamu alaikum. Here I'm sitting in front of you. The Indian team is missing some of the top players in their lineup.
Yeah.
We would like to see Johnny Bairstow, who performed very well, then Jason Roy, who scored 100 here in the PSL. Do you think, if you don't mind, do you think you rate the England side the second string of the Indian team?
No, I think the only person I think that's not here is Ben Stokes. From the guys who could be here, Johnny Bairstow's injured. Jason Roy's been dropped, and obviously Jofra Archer is injured. Chris Woakes is injured. So and we still have a very good side. I don't think it's second string. I think naturally with Owen Morgan not captain now, we were going to have a team. Obviously Joss Butler is injured, and he's our captain. So it's not through selection. It's more through just unfortunate injuries. We've had some bad fortune this summer. Throughout the summer we had injuries, but it gives good opportunities for new players to come in, and we were always going to be having new players coming into the squad because the cycle has changed. Obviously 2019 World Cup we won, and in the 50 overs and white ball, and there needs to be a change, and Joss is the captain, so he's going to bring in players that he feels are good enough to play and give them a chance, young players. So the team that we bring, I believe we are a very good white ball team. White ball players in England have been coming lots. Phil Salt is somebody who's a fantastic player, Jacks, and Harry Brook has done well in PSL as well. So these guys are good, very, very good players. So I wouldn't say they're second string.